When the machine arrives, first unpack the machine, go to the top of the machine, and take out the key on it. Find the T-lock key. Insert the key into the corresponding hole. Turn the key to the left, and then to the right. Then turn the lock head to the left to rotate. The door can be opened after several spins. After opening the door, take out the light box and put it aside, and remove all materials from inside the machine. Check for broken sugar bags and bent paper sticks. Then find the black tool bag from inside the machine. Take the needle nose pliers out of the tool bag. First remove the key from the power cord. Then cut the straps of the manipulator. Remove the foam after cutting. Slowly level the manipulator. Take out the Phillips screwdriver from the tool bag. Then come to the back of the machine. Take out the conical key of the electrical cabinet. After opening the cabinet door, take out a Phillips screwdriver and check the electrical wiring. Pay attention to check whether the wires are loose in each place. If any looseness is found, just screw it back on. Next, go to the front of the machine, cut the straps of the 3 antennas. And put those 3 antennas on top. Then put the antenna through the hole here. Put all 3 antennas into the machine. Then attach them to the back of the screen. Note that the Continental version has 3 antennas. The foreign version generally only has 1 antenna. Then unpack the top light box. And put the light box on the top of the machine. Then insert the light box cable into the hole where the antenna just entered. Slightly pull down on the light box wire T and align the light box sheet metal hole with the reserved screw hole. Take out the screws and washers from the spare parts box. A screw must be matched with a washer. After putting it into the light box hole, use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten it. Tighten all 6 screws at the front and rear that will fix light box. Then go to the top of the back of the machine. Find the cone key to open the door. Then find the power cord labeled 12 voltage light box power supply and connect it to the light box on the top of the machine. Be careful not to connect the light box line to the 24 voltage power line. After connecting, check whether it is loose. Next, find the phase detector. Plug it into the socket or transformer that will power the machine, it must be confirmed that there is a ground wire before the machine can be used. If there is no ground wire, it cannot power the machine. Generally, the middle and the right are red lights. You can use the machine and power on it. If you don't understand, you can take a video to the engineer and ask about the lighting. Then take out the paper stick and put it into the stick module. When you add sticks, be careful to put the paper stick evenly. Can only join at most triangle positions. Do not fill up the paper stick. If you fill it up, it may cause the paper stick to get stuck, and make sure that all paper sticks must be flat. Then go to the candy box and open the small door. Unscrew the lids of all 4 sugar boxes. Then find the sugar funnel in the tool bag. The funnel must be put in to this hole. Note that sugar must be added according to the color of the label below. Label colors from left to right are white, red, yellow and blue. Remember not to add the wrong color. When adding sugar for the first time, add a packet of sugar to test if normally were K. Just fill up the candy box with all the colors. Next, screw the candy box lid back on. Be sure to tighten the lid of the sugar box so that there is no air leakage. If the air leaks, the sugar will not come out when making sugar. After tightening the lid of the candy box, shake all sugar boxes vigorously. Then remove the clean water bucket cover. Be sure to use pure water or distilled water, otherwise, the burner will definitely be blocked. In this case, we will not guarantee the stove. The consequence is the need to buy a new stove. Therefore, the TDS value must be measured with TDS test pen before using water. Next, fill the bucket with pure water. Be sure to insert the water pump hose to the bottom of the bucket after filling, and ensure that the water pipe must not float out of the water. Then check whether the water pipe is bent. After not making sure there is no bending, take out the waste bucket and unscrew the lid. Find all black pipes in this area and put them all in the trash. Then place the barrel flat into the machine. Be careful to put it flat. When all preparations are done, close the front door. Be careful to close the door first and push firmly door. Tighten the T-lock again to the right. It takes a few more turns to close the door tightly. Snap it on after tightening. Then plug the power cord of the machine into the outlet. The machine will light up after power on. The screen automatically start the Marshmallow app. First click on the screen Add Page.